Take a look at my Phantom wallet, stacked with profits from meme coins I launched myself, not by chasing charts, not by gambling on hype, by creating the actual hype. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it so you can do the same and make a shit ton of money. Now, I used to think buying into trending meme coins was the way, but every single time I jumped into a chart, I'd get basically dumped on and my whole balance drained. Now, the real money isn't made by chasing and buying into coins. It's made by launching and deving these meme coins. When you launch a coin, you control the entire supply, the narrative, and the whole entire timing. You are not riding someone else's hype and becoming exit liquidity. You are creating it basically. And the best part, you have nothing to lose by doing this method. You can create coins over and over again until one hits. But if you keep trading meme coins, bro, you will lose all your money. I've been there before. And right now, Bitcoin is at an all-time high and Solana is currently exploding. So right now is the best time to start launching meme coins and potentially make a lot of money before it gets oversaturated. That's exactly why you have to keep watching, because I will be exposing the whole method without even gatekeeping. And before we get started, you have to know that this video was made with AI. It's all for educational purposes only and it's all fake. So please do not copy me. Cap! Now when it comes to deving coins, most people default to Pump.Fun because it looks really easy. But the reality is, it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of coins flood the platform every single minute, and good luck standing out with your coin in that mess. Worse, you don't control your own liquidity, meaning you are just another bag holder when the hype fades. For example, if you launch a coin and you're up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even control your own liquidity. That's exactly why I use create token..Io. It launches your coin directly onto Radium, you keep full control, and your project gets instantly graduated so it shows up right away on the migrated section. No waiting, no limits, just pure visibility and a lot of fucking volume that pumps into your own coin. And that's exactly why I use create tokens.io. But anyways, when you are ready to launch your meme coin on create tokens.io, you've got two clear ways. The first option is to build a meme coin from scratch. So first of all, go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative that's trending. It could be a viral tweet, a political headline, or a random meme coin blowing up online. Just yesterday, Kanye West dropped a meme coin and it absolutely exploded. That's a good example of a narrative. When you're done, come back to create tokens.io, set your coin's name, choose a symbol, and upload a quick 128 by 128 image, and then hit next, and in seconds, your token is live and ready to move forward. But here's a real shortcut, my favorite method, the copy trending coins tab. This section pulls coins that are already taken off on Pump.Fun, coins with traffic, volume, and attention baked in. With one click, you can copy a coin straight onto Radium. And because these coins already have hype, you get instant buyers rushing in, which means way more profit potential right from the fucking start. Both options work, but if you want speed and a lot of fucking profits, option 2 is where the real money's at. But anyways, enough talk, let's get into it and launch a coin right now. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the site. It's this simple. Then refresh list, and we're gonna look for a coin to potentially create and copy. Now, I know Kanye West dropped a coin before, so that could be a good narrative to copy, like this one right here. But I'm gonna copy the Gay coin. It has a last buy 1 minute ago and a $27,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin, then ignore the warning from Phantom. Every single person is gonna get the same exact warning. It's completely normal. Just go proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied. You just have to be patient for a bit. Come on. And boom. If I go on SoulScan for you guys, here's proof that it's minted on the blockchain, so the website is legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step's simple, we're just adding liquidity so people can actually buy and sell the coin directly through Radium. So there's two simple steps. The first step is the amount token A, just click 90%, the button right here. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, and you are keeping 10%. For the amount token B, this is basically your first entry into your own token. You are not losing money here. You are just setting the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you eventually remove the liquidity later, that Solana that you put right here will come right back to you. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, which is right above the minimum, then create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh right below here, and if you scroll down, boom, the Gay coin is now live. Our PNL is at $0, and if you refresh once again the whole page, now we're up $152, which means people are actively buying our meme coin on Radium. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart, and boom, now it's fucking live. And let me go on full screen. Okay, $45, $20, $20 sell, $20 sell. Things are looking already good, but people are already buying our coin. That's fucking insane. If that's not proof that this coin is gonna blow up, I don't know what it is, bro. Like, that's the power of Radium and create tokens.io. We are at a $1.5 thousand market cap, 12 transactions already. Things are looking juicy. Come on, I'm just waiting it for it to pump. Come on, $45 buy, come on, yes, let's go. We are getting buys. Oh my god, it's pumping. Oh my god, $74, $100, $40, $20, bro, things are looking mad good. Oh my god. Now guys, you have to understand that you have to control your emotions. Do not take out profits right now. Trust me, it is gonna go really up, bro. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back to cash out profits, so enjoy the show. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we are at a $2.8 thousand market cap, 1.5k in liquidity. It is still going up, 3.2k in volume, and right now it's the best time to cash out profit. So come back to create tokens.io, and then first of all click on refresh, and boom, we are up $1,548 with a $2.4 thousand market cap. That's our cue to cash out profits. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove, click this button, and then as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive around 8.25 SOL. Then click on confirm. I'm fucking stressing. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a meme coin and print generational wealth. And if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom! $1.5 thousand straight inside my Phantom wallet. No, I'm not fucking lying. Look, the money is fucking there. Now, before you click off and go launch a meme coin, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my Discord server and my free Telegram group down below. And yeah, bro, good luck.